It's a pleasure to talk to you guys. I'm Marcus St. John from Baptist Hospital in Miami, where we have been successfully ACE accredited and have used the SCI Quality Improvement Toolkit as an integral part of our quality improvement program. So we underwent ACE accreditation in 2012, and one of their specific recommendations to us as an organization was to use the toolkit to implement more rigorous quality improvement measures. And they specifically guided us to work on a peer review process and to improve documentation. And the toolkit was really fundamental and instrumental in achieving all of those goals. It's a very easy to use, user-friendly type of thing. It is essentially a user guide for quality improvement. It tells you exactly what are the key conferences. It tells you how to implement them. It gives you tips on how to get your physician colleagues to buy into those conferences. And it also provides you as a physician champion with monthly tips and webinars and resources to really work with your administrators and with your colleagues. So it's an all-round guide, a very easy to use how-to recipe book, if you will, for improving quality and maintaining standards at your institution.